Today's problem is longest subsequence with limited sum. The problem is you are given an integer array nums of length n and an integer array queries of length m. Return an array answer of length m where answer of I is the maximum size of a subsequence that you can take from nums such that sum of its element is less than or equal to queries of I. So what's the question is, we have to return an answer corresponding to each query. Like query is 3, so we have to return an answer for 3. Query is 10, we have to return an answer for 10. Query is 21, for we have to return an answer for 20. So for query 3, what we have to do, we have to return the maximum size of a subsequence. Subsequences, we can take any number, 4, 5, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 1, anything. So subsequence is this. So we have to return the maximum size of a subsequence that you can take from nums such that sum of its element, the subsequence which subsequence we will take, its sum should be less than or equal to queries of I. Like for 3, for query 3, what we can take? What we can take a subsequence, we can't take 4 because 4 is greater than 3. We have to take the subsequence which sum is less than or equal to 3. So we can take not 5, not 4, we can take 2, okay. Also we can take 1 because their sum is equal to 3. We have to return the maximum length. We have to return the maximum size of a subsequence that you can take from nums. So what we will do? We will take 2 and 1. So for query of I, the length of the subsequence is 2. For 10, what we can take? We can take 4, okay. We can take 5, okay. 5, 4, 10, okay. We can take 2. No, we can't. 5, 4, 9. We can take 2. No, we can't take because 5, 4, 9 plus 2 is 11. No. Okay, we can take 4, 5, 1. Yeah, we can take 4, 5 and 1 because 4, 5 and 1 make 10. So it is equal to the query of query of 1. So we can take this. And so for 10, the length of the answer is 3. We also can take 4. We can take 4, 2 and 1 because their sum is 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 is 7. Their sum is 7. It is less than 10, so we can take this also. But the answer remains same because 4, 2 and 1 we will take. If we will take, their length will 3 only. So we can take 4, 2, 1 or we can take 4, 5, 1. For 21, for 21 we can take whole array. 4, 5, 9, 9 to 11, 130, 9 to 11 and 1, 12. So what we can do? We can take full array. For 21, we can take full array because the sum of their elements is less than 21. So the answer is 4. So simply what we have to do? We have to return an answer corresponding to every query, and that answer is maximum length. The answer is maximum length of the subsequence, and the subsequence will what? Subsequence will represent, we can take subsequence in the manner of the sum of their elements should be less than or equal to queries of I. Like for 3, we can take a subsequence which elements sum is less than 3 or equal to 3. So we have taken 2 and 1. What we can do to solve this question? We can do, firstly we can, for maximum we have to take maximum length. Okay, so what we can do? We can sort the array. First we will sort the array because we if we want 10, okay, so we can take 5 or 5 also. We can take 2 times 5 also. We can take 10 times 1 also. So the length, when the length will maximum, if we will take small numbers, then length will be maximum. So what we will do? First we will sort the array. First we will sort the array, then we will we will find the prefix sum. We will find the prefix sum. We will find prefix sum. Prefix sum is like 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. And 7 plus 5 is 12. So what we will do? we will find one, we will find first, we will find the prefix sum. Okay, first we will sort the array, then we will find the prefix sum. So from the prefix sum, what we will do, we will just run the for loop. For every query we will run the for loop, and we will add these numbers. First we are at I, we will run a for loop for 3, we will run a for loop for 3, we are at I is I is at 0, so zero's position, the sum is 1. Okay, so it is less than 3. Okay, we will move ahead, we'll move ahead. I is here now, I is here now, the sum is, now the sum is 3. Okay, it is less than or equal to 3. So we have moved here, we have moved here to here. Okay, now the sum is 7. Is 7 is less than or equal to 3? No. So we will break the loop. Here we will break the loop, and we will say the answer of I, we will say the answer of I or j, we will say answer of j, answer of that query. We will say answer of that query is I plus 1. We will say answer of that query is, no, we will say answer of query is 1, because we have broke the loop is here. So we will say answer of I is, answer of that query or j is I. So in this manner we can solve the question. Here is the solution, you can take a look what we have done. We have simply taken num size, it is m. We have simply taken the query size, it is m. Then according to our solution, what we have done, we have sorted, first we have sorted the array. Okay, so here I have sorted the array by using the inbuilt function sort. Okay, then I have taken a sum and a vector pre-sum. We have to find pre-sum, no? So we have taken a pre-sum, vector pre-sum. So what we are doing, we are just running a for loop in nums. We are running a for loop in nums and adding the number. First, sum is 0, nums of I is 1. For this question, nums of I is 1. After sorting the array will become 1, 2, 4 and 5. So sum is 0, nums of I is 1. So firstly, we will push back the 1. Okay, then we'll push back, sum is 1, nums of I is 2, then we'll push back 3, then we'll push back 7, then we'll push back 12. So we have found the prefix sum now. The prefix sum is 1, 3, 7 and 12. Now what we are doing, we are finding our answer. So we have we have initialized our answer vector of size m, because for every query size is m. So for every query we have to return an answer, so we have taken a vector of answer that size is m. Now what we are doing, we are simply running a for loop for every I, for every query we are finding the sum. We are finding the sum for every query. We are running a loop in prefix sum, and we are finding in prefix sum we are running. If prefix sum is less than or equal to query, if prefix sum less than equal to query, we are updating the answer. So answer is j plus 1, or we can update the answer here also. Here also we can update, but we are updating here. Okay, it's fine, no problem. So answer is less than equal to query, we are updating j plus 1, because it is 0 index now. 0 is starting from j is starting from 0, so we are updating its j plus 1. Okay, now at 3 it is also less than equal to prefix sum. Okay, so answer of I means answer of 0, 0 we are updating again because it is less than. So okay, for answer of 0 is equal to j plus 1. J is here, so j plus 1 is, j is here, j plus 1 is 2, so answer is 2. Okay, now we are at 7, it is less than equal to 3. No, it is not. Then we will break the loop, and we will come on second query, we will come on 10. For 10 also we will do the same. We will run a loop. We'll say 1 is less than, okay. 3 is less than query, okay. 7 is less than query, okay. Move ahead. The here till here the answer of I is, j plus 1 means 2 plus 1 is 3. At 12 we will break the loop. So for second query the answer is 3. All similarly we can run the for loop for query 21. For 21 we will go to last position. So we will say answer of I is j plus 1 means 3 plus 1. 3 here is 3, so 3 plus 1 is 4. Then we will come outside the for loop, and we will return the answer simply. So we'll run our solution. Okay, it's running perfectly. Thank you.